are actually at the sorting station. What's happening at the sorting station is to simplify and organize the parts for the assembly. So parts are being cut at the CNC, getting edge band with the edge banding machine and getting dowels. And then they're moved forward, in this case scenario, into a mobile cart where all the parts are not grouped by product, but really are messed up, if you want, in a chaotic way. So what we want to do is scan a component and assign them to a specific bin. Every bin that you see represents a product. So the key with this is to make sure that we have all the parts grouped together, being a product, to simplify the assembly station so they don't have to search around and try to figure out what part they need for that product. Everything gets organized into that level. A lot of times we see that station also, the sorting station, combined with doweling station. So when they do the doweling at the same time, this is where they sort. In this case, it's been moved forward with a traveling cart the way they wanted to do there. So again, like I said, every bin represents a product, and you can see the rack that you're seeing there being displayed on the same screen. So what it allows us to do is everything that is in blue is telling you that it's a work in progress product. So we're starting to sort components inside. We do not have all the parts in to become in green. So when it's green, that means all the part of that product is ready. Everything's inside. You can start assemble the items on the other side. You're making sure that you control everything before you move down to the next station. So again, this reduced time of searching parts. We know exactly if we have everything in our hands, and we're controlling also the rules on the other side of how the assembly can be done. Interesting thing, if I go inside my bin, I can see exactly what is a part I'm missing, and if there was the damaged part, I would see what is damaged as a part inside of that. So the way it works, pretty much easy. I'm just going to grab a part, any one in my wrist I have to do, and when I'm going to scan my barcode of it, automatically the system will flash in the green or red level, or with the LED light, allowing me the bin that I need to place the bin inside. Now, the LED is suggested because it's simplifying, again, the work for the operator, since he knows exactly in what bin to place the part inside of that. So again, I'm just going in, taking a part, I'm scanning my barcode inside of that element, and automatically the bin will turn here in blue to let me know where to place these parts inside of that. So let me take another little part right here, just to scan it for you guys, and automatically it will turn into a blue level, the blue bin, to allow me to place the part inside of that. So again, the key point here at the sorting rack is taking chaotic parts in a different way and regroup them by product into a bin to make it easier for the assembly line as we're going to go to the next station to see that.